Hi, welcome to Banks Credit Chat. Today we're going to talk about a follow-up video basically on credit repair. My brother's going to let you know should you or should you not. We're going to talk about some key things. He's basically going to spearhead the whole thing. I'm going to sit back and enjoy it just like you guys should. So I'm going to just let him get right to it.
All right, as my brother mentioned, this is a follow-up video. We talked before about credit repair companies. I'm going to look at the top 5 that most people utilize when they come in to repair their credit. I'm going to put a little top videos here in terms of a little disclaimer, and I mean by top video and disclaimer, I don't agree with any of them. But if you're short on time and you're looking for a quick solution that gives the appearance that they're going to do something, we're going to go through the 5 top places for your credit repair. First one is Lexington Law, as they charge a monthly fee, ranges from anywhere from $89.95 to $109.95 a month, and they also give you a free credit repair review. Their focus is to try to fix any anomalies that come on your credit report, anything that they see that could be something that might have been standing on there for a while that they can dispute. So essentially, whatever they see on the credit report that they think that potentially is not valid, they'll send a letter, goes to the different three credit report agencies disputing the particular credit item. That's pretty much the premise of all of them. The second one is CreditSaint.com. It ranges from anywhere from $99 to $195 a month. Same premise, do the same exact thing. They just charge a little bit less in that case. Well, a little bit more in this particular case because Lexington Law is $89.95 to $109.95. CreditRepair.com comes up number 3. Number 4 is SkyBlue.com. And finally, the number 5th one is CreditPros.com. Each with the same premise of trying to repair your credit. Now, the reason why I do not like any of these, even though they are the top 5 of the most people utilize, and some of them have very good ratings, if you Better Business Bureau, and people have even good reviews, is because the whole service is based on doing something you can do on your own, and you're paying a fee monthly to do that. And I've talked about this before, but it's worth repeating. What these credit repair companies do is they actually dispute items on your credit report, something you can do on your own, and you can do them actually at annualcreditreport.com. They give you get your credit report from there. You can find out which items are fishy or see if they're actually valid, and you can dispute them on your own. It takes a little bit extra time, but you can save the monthly fee that you attach to each one of these places. Now, because we live in an age where people, and lack of a better term, lazy, that's why they created these different services with the intent, with great marketing, to say that we're going to do something that you can't do. And technically, you really could do it yourself. Also, if they dispute something that is actually legitimate and say it does fall off your credit report,
What's going to happen? Explain.
it will come back on. That's just as simple as that. People think that this is some kind of magical answer. There is no magical answer when it comes to fixing your credit report. It's going to take some time. It's going to take a little effort. This services here that these top 5s that I mentioned here try to circumvent that and do the work for you. Now, we live in a capitalist society. I'm not knocking anyone's hustle if they're trying to do something. Our goal is for you to do stuff on your own so you can be in control and get you in a better place and be more educated about the process. So, 5 top places that people utilize to pull and fix their credit, not pull, but fix their credit, potentially fix their credit report are Lexington Law, Credit Saint, Credit Repair, SkyBlue, and the Credit Pros. There's probably another list on it, but these are the top 5 that I've seen throughout my time dealing with credit. And what most people said, hey, I use Lexington Law, and sometimes they haven't done nothing for me. Well, they're not doing something for you because if they knocked something off and gave you that quick fix and said, hey, it worked, and then you come back a couple months later, something that was actually legitimate shows back on your credit report. On a lot of cases that I've seen, they just been paying the monthly payment and not realizing that nothing's actually really being done. But they have glossy material, great marketing, and keeps you at that fee.
And to be honest with you, he gave y'all the 5 top. Truth be told, this is non-applicable if you can't afford it anyway. So if you don't have the money, then you better tune into the next video because we'll be spearheading that again. Telling them this is for people. Number 1 rule of the top 5, you have to pay something. So that's the top 5 of coming out your pocket.
Truth be told. Damien said it perfectly there. don't utilize these particular companies, take the little extra time, watch our channel, get educated on what you do to repair your credit, and it starts with just going to annualcreditreport.com and seeing what actually is on it. So, if this video has been of any value, please subscribe, leave some comments, hit the bell for our next video. And as we always say, we're out until our next video.